Hello friends, I hope that you are in a good health and good spirit. Today in this video I am going to show you that how to give mobile hotspot to another phone. Before starting the video I am telling you something that please subscribe my channel and also like the video. So let's start. So you have to open your layout. In my mobile it is done from bottom. In your mobile it may be done through this. So you have to open your layout bar, so like this, and then scroll and find out where is your personal hotspot. In my mobile this is my personal hotspot, so you have to click on it and this is on. And if you don't know your password, you just click on personal hotspot option and then click on hotspot configuration, and this you can see that this is your password. You can also change your password, just like I change my password this. So and then click on done option, so and then enable Wi-Fi, so click on it. You can also change your network name or mobile name, just like I open my mobile name, just it Vivo S1 Pro, Vivo S1 Pro. So through this you can change your mobile name or network name. So then again click on done option. So you can see that the Vivo S1 Pro and password is this. And if you don't find your personal hotspot in this layout bar, you just go to the setting, then in the search setting bar write hotspot, so then click on hotspot configuration and you can see that this is the personal hotspot options. So in other mobile for connect this you have to click on the Wi-Fi option. This is my Wi-Fi option, and after this your mobile name shows on another mobile and just click on it and enter the password. So if you face any hurdle or any problem, so comment me. I will try my best to solve your problem or your any other things. Thanks.